What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel, man. And today we're going to talk about this $850 million that GM decided to drop on these Gen 6 V8 small blocks, man. So that sounds like some good news. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat anything and just say, hey, I got some insider news and just say, hey, this means that we're going to get a Camaro. No, that's false. That's false. I'm not going to give you guys no snake oil and selling y'all that snake oil, man, because I know y'all value what I say, and I know y'all going to take off with, and run with it, whatever I say. But yes, man, GM decided to drop $850 million on their manufacturing, man, to keep the small block Gen 6 variant going. Right now we're on the Gen 5 LT1s, or the LT engines I should say. So now they're going to spend a little bit more money to generate these Gen 6 LT blocks. Now, with that being said, we don't know what type of engines they're going to come out with. My guess is this is going to be that LT3. I believe an LT3 going to come out because, as you guys know, we got the LT1, LT2, LT4, LT5, and LT6, but not an LT3. So I feel like that's coming in the works down the pipeline pretty soon, man. What is it going to be? Who knows? What power is going to make? Who knows? But as of now, we just know that GM is putting money into these manufacturing plants, man, and that's going to be nice. Now, we're probably not going to get a Camaro out of it, but I feel like this engine is primarily going to be for the SUVs and the trucks and the Corvettes, believe it or not. We'll see what other type of cars they may come out with, but as of now, I have a strong feeling that's what it's going to be, and where they putting their money at is going to be in my hometown, which is nice, creating more jobs, Flint. So that's a good part, that's a good portion of that. But what I have known coming from my hometown is that the plant where they putting all that money is most likely a truck plant. So that's how I know it's going to be a lot of trucks and SUVs there. They're going to put some money in Defiance, Ohio, put some in New York where the camshaft and rods and stuff is being built over there, some in New York, and other parts of Michigan. But as of now, that's all we know. We have good hopes that, hey, GM is still pushing. They're not really for EVs as of yet, based on the money they're spending, so that's good news. But they is still believing that internal combustion is the way, and I'm happy about that, man, and y'all should too. So y'all drop a comment below, let me know what you guys think. Do you think we're gonna get a new Camaro out of this? Y'all think the Camaro had some possibility in this, or y'all think the Camaro is dying right where we at? But we all are curious to see what type of engine they're gonna make out of this Gen 6 LT small block variant. I feel like they're coming out with. I feel like there's going to be an LT3 coming out. It's going to be crazy. Don't quote me on that, but that's just what I'm seeing that based on what all the engines we have thus far, man. Also, there's some interesting news that I have just discovered last week a little bit earlier today when people have been reaching out to me, is that it looks like their people's ZL1, ZLE orders are getting canceled, and certain dealerships are refunding people back on their deposits, man. So I don't know too much about that. I'm researching that on the back end for you guys. You know, if I hear any information or any news, I'll be able to share that with you guys. But that is some news that I have been hearing from some reputable people, saying that their ZLEs has been refunded, their deposit, I should say, been refunded. And some of the SS1LEs, I don't believe about the SS1LEs, but I've been hearing rumors about there's LT1s and LT4 small block shortages. But I don't know how true that is, and I'm not going to stand behind that, just put that out there. But I am researching that information for you guys to share anything that I hear along the way for you guys, if it's true or if it's not. But I have been hearing about those people getting their deposits refunded from dealerships, because word is that they're no longer getting allocations, or GM is stopping that. But I think that's all due to shortages and the way the world is going right now. And like that, man, that's gonna wrap this video up. If y'all guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, be sure to subscribe, and be sure to drop a comment below so we can debate and talk about it, like what y'all think this new small black V8 gonna be. Just, we can go as wild and as crazy as we want to get, but I just want to have that discussion, man. So Y'all drop a comment below, let me know what y'all think. And if y'all like topics like this and cars like this, y'all know what to do. Be able to follow the mental culture, man. That's 100 Gang Nate, Race Car Friends, and Q the Chaotic, and like that.